Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope you are all safe at home. Okay, till now what I have taken, I hope you understood. And as I told you earlier, integers is a chapter that you have to revise. Another one now coming as we are going through our statement problems. Another chapter that you have to revise is mensuration, that is with area, perimeter of rectangle, triangle and all these things. I know it is, you are thorough with all these things, but you should revise it as we are going to apply what we have studied in the earlier classes in coming classes. In your future classes, we have to apply all these formulas because statement problems and all will be related to the things what we studied in our previous classes. Okay, so one more thing I want to ask, whether you have any doubts. If you are having any doubts, please contact me through the WhatsApp. I can clear it off. Okay, so let us continue with our statement problems. Here is exercise 3C, 10th question. A field is 6 1/2 meters long and 12 2/5 meters wide. Find the perimeter of the field. That's a question. Here you have to find the perimeter. We studied how to find perimeters in our previous class, previous year. Okay. So here it is given as 16 1/2 meters long and 12 2/5 meters wide. That means it is the length and breadth of the field is given. So we understood that it is a rectangle. And one more thing before starting doing the problem, I want to tell you, don't make it 16.50 meters because here the question is given in fractions, so you have to do it in fraction itself. Don't convert it into decimal fractions. Is it clear? Okay. So we will start. Whatever given in your question, you have to write it down. So understand the question and then start doing it. So here the field is 16 1/2 meters long. That means length is given as 16 1/2 meters and then 12 2/5 meters wide. That means it is the breadth. Breadth is equal to 12 2/5 meters. What you have to find? You have to find the perimeter. So you have to find perimeter. I am putting it as a question mark. So these are the things given in your statement. In your statement problem, these are the things, that is length is given, breadth is given, and you have to find the perimeter. So how you can find the perimeter of a field? What is the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangular field? What is the perimeter formula for perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B, where L stands for length and B stands for breadth. Is it clear? You know that? Okay. Now we are going to substitute these values for L and B. Length is given as 16 1/2 meters and breadth is given as 12 2/5 meters. So I am going to substitute here 2 into length is 16 1/2 plus breadth is 12 2/5. I am writing the meters after this bracket, closing the bracket, because if you are not writing the meters in the answer, marks, it is sure that your marks will be reduced. You know that very well. So I am just carrying this meters along with what I am doing the problem. Okay. So 2 into these calculations can be done in the working column. Don't do the calculations here. Just opposite to that, we are drawing a working column. Just opposite where you are doing, just do that calculations there in the working column. So I will just start doing it in the working column. Okay. 16 1/2 plus 12 2/5 you have to convert this into improper fraction. So, you will get it here as 33 by 2 plus, here you will get it as 62 by 5. Here the LCM is 10. So, you have to multiply this with 5. So, 33 multiplied by 5 plus 62 multiplied by 2 by 10. So, you will get here what? 165 plus 124 by 10, that is equal to 165 plus 124, 9, 8, when you are adding 289 by 10. So, you are getting 289 by 10 here. Now, here we have a 2 here to multiply. So, I am just writing 2 multiplied by 289 by 10 meters. Now, what do you have to do? 2 you can reduce with 10, isn't it? 2 is a factor of 10, so it will go 5 times. So, that you will get it as 289 by 5 meters. Now, what you have to do? You have to divide this. So, that division you have to do it in the working column. You will get the answer as 57 4 by 5 meters. After division, you will get the answer as 57 4 by 5 meters. I did not do the division there, you have to do it in the working column. I hope it is clear. Okay. In the same exercise, 12th question. A motorcycle runs 31 1/4 kilometers consuming 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it run consuming 1 3/5 liters of petrol? Very easy question, right? One liter petrol, that is equal to 31 1/4 kilometers. Now, what is the next statement given there? What we have to find? How much distance will it run consuming 1 3/4 liters of petrol? So, how much distance it will cover in for 1 3/5 liters of petrol? So, I will just write therefore distance travelled for 1 3/5 liters of petrol, that is equal to, what you have to do here? Yes, you have to multiply it, that is 31 1/4 kilometers multiplied by 1 3/5 liters. Now, how you will, where you will do the multiplication? You have to do it in the working column. Here it is the place where you have to write the answers. Understood? So, we will go for the multiplication in the working column. Straight to this where you have done, you have to write it. Understood? So, I am just writing 31 1/4 multiplied by 1 3/5. So, you have to convert this into improper fraction. So, this will be 125/4 multiplied by 8/5. It's clear? Okay. Now, we know that here 5 and 125 they are having common factor 5. So, you can reduce, and 4 and 8 is also having common factor 4. So, here it will go 1 time, here it will go 2 times, and then 5 will go here 1 time, here 2, 25. So, it is 5. So, that is equal to 25 multiplied by 2, that is 50. So, how many kilometers it will go? It will travel 50 kilometers. Is it clear? I have written here meters. You have to write it kilometer. So, this is the way, I am sorry, this is the way you have to write it, Clear? Okay, this is 31 1 by 4 multiplied by 1 3 by 5 whole kilometers. So, here the answer you are getting it as 50 kilometer. We have done all the calculations in the working column straight just opposite to the statements what you have written. This is the way you have to write it. Otherwise, what happens is that every calculations will come here and it will be a mess to check it. Is it clear? Okay. Here is the 15th question of the same exercise. That is, out of 24 of wheat, 5/6 of wheat is consumed. Find how much wheat is still left. What is the meaning of this one? Total weight is given to you, that is 24 kilograms. And out of that 5/6 of that total weight of wheat is consumed. So, what does that mean? 24 kilograms of wheat is there in total. Out of it, 5/6 of the total weight is already consumed. So, what you have to find what first? So, weight of wheat consumed you have to first find, right? Then only you can find what is still left there. So, what all things you have to find? You have to find the weight of wheat consumed. Only the fraction is given. 5/6 of the total weight is consumed. So, you have to find that of, you understood the of, usage of here. 5/6 of the wheat is consumed, that is total weight is 24 kilograms and out of it 5/6 is consumed. That means you have to find the total weight what is consumed and then you have to find how much wheat is still left. So, what you have to do? So, total weight consumed you have to find and then you have to subtract it from the total weight there, that is 24 kilograms. Clear? So, we will start writing. Total weight, I am just writing the abbreviation form WT here, you have to write the full, okay. Total weight of wheat is equal to 24 kilograms. Consumed weight of wheat, weight of wheat. What is that? Consumed weight of wheat, that is 5/6 of the total weight, that is 5/6 of 24 kilograms. I hope it is clear. Is it clear? Total weight of wheat is 24 kilograms. Consumed weight of wheat, that is what they consumed, that is given as 5/6 of 24 kilograms, that you have to find it out. So, we will find it in the working column. So, that is 5/6 of means it is multiplication. So, 5/6 multiplied by 24. Okay. So, here 6 will go here how many times? 4 times. So, you are getting it as 20. So, they consumed 20 kilograms. So, they consumed 20 kilograms of wheat. Okay. Now, we have to find how much wheat is left there. So, therefore, weight of wheat left, that is what you have to do. From the total weight you have to subtract what's been consumed, that is 24 kilograms minus 20 kilograms. What is that? 24 kilograms, 24 minus 20, it is 4 kilograms. So, the answer you got it as 4 kilograms. Clear? Okay. 16th question. A rod of length 2/5 meters is divided into 5 equal parts. Find the length of each part so obtained. That is, one big rod is there. That rod is divided into 5 equal parts. A big rod is there and that rod is divided into 5 equal parts. So, that equal part we have to find the measure of that each part. What is the length of each part? So, one big rod is divided into 5 equal parts, you have to find the length of each part. That is the question. This type of questions you already done it, not now, in your previous years. So here length of the rod is given. It is 2 by 5. It is divided into 5 equal parts. So how you can find the length of one part, each rod, small rods, how you will find? You have to divide it. Okay. So we are just going to write what is given there and we are going to find the things. So length of a rod is equal to 2 by 5 meters. Okay. 2 by 5 meter of rod is divided into 5 equal parts. I think it is clear to you. This big rod is divided into 5 equal parts. So what is the length of each rod? Therefore, length of each rod is equal to 2 by 5 meters divided by 5, because 5, it is divided into 5 equal parts. So do the division in the working column straight to this one, so that you are getting it as 2 by 5 divided by 5. This one you have to change it. So 10 plus 2, 12 by 5 divided by 5, that is equal to 12 by 5 into 1 by 5, that is 12 by 25. So the length of each rod, you are getting it as 12 by 25 meters. Very simple, right? Okay, clear? Now we move on to exercise 3E. Okay, here all are statement problems. Some are very simple, which you can do by yourself. Only the first problem I will do it on the board. Next all we will discuss it. I will discuss 2 or 3 problems here in the class and you have to do it from home as homework. Okay. The first question given is that a line AB is of length 6 centimeters. Another line CD is of length 15 centimeters. What fraction is? There are 3 subdivisions. I have written only one subdivision here. Later on, after doing one by one, we will write it. Okay. The length of AB to that of CD. That is, you have to compare the length of 2 lines. Here it is given as a line AB. Length of AB is given as what all things is given there. Length of AB, line AB is equal to 6 centimeters. And line CD is given as 15 centimeters. You have to compare it. That is the first question. The length of AB to that of the length of CD. So what you have to do? Just to compare means the first is given AB, length of AB. So that should be in the numerator, and then length of CD, that means that should be in the denominator. Easiest way to do it. That's what I am telling you. Okay. So here the required fraction is equal to length of AB by length of CD. That is equal to 6 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Both the centimeters will be cut off. Only the fraction will come there. 6 and 15. Common factor 3 is there. So that will be 3 will go here 2 times. Here it will go 5 times. So what is the fraction you are getting? 2 by 5 is the fraction. Simple one. If you understand to do it, it's very, very simple. That is the length of AB to the length of CD. That is given as AB is given as 6 centimeters, CD is given as 15 centimeters. and the required fraction what we need is AB by, because we have to compare AB to CD. So, we are writing in the numerator the length of AB, and in denominator we are writing it as CD, length of CD. So, 6 by 15 centimeters, that centimeters will be cancelled, and then 3 is the common factor for 6 and 15. We reduced it, we got it as the fraction as 2 by 5. Okay. Now, we will go for the second subdivision in this. Half the length of AB to that of 1 by 3 of CD. Here, how to compare? Half of the length AB. What is AB's length? AB's length is, what is same given as 6 centimeters, and CD's length. What is CD's length? It is given as 15 centimeters. So, here we have to find half the length of AB first, and then you have to find 1 by 3 of CD, the length CD. So, I am just write 1 by 2 length of AB means what is that? That is 1 by 2 of 6 centimeters. So, multiplication it is coming. So, we will get it as 3 centimeters. And then we have to find 1 by 3, 1 by 3rd length of CD. What is that? Again it is coming as 1 by 3 of 15 centimeters. The length of CD is 15. So, 15 centimeters. So, here also off is coming, multiplication is coming. You have to do the multiplication, you will get the answer as, after doing it you will get it as 5 centimeters. Okay. Now, you have to compare these two, half the length of AB to 1 by 3 length of CD. So, we are comparing 3 and 5. So, required fraction. Is equal to 3 centimeters by 5 centimeters. So, that centimeters will be cancelled, you will get the fraction as 3 by 5. Clear? Okay. The third subdivision of the first question, that is 1 by 5 of CD to that of AB. 1 by 5 of CD to that of AB. Again we will write the same things, that is what is given in the main question, that is AB is equal to 6 centimeters, CD is equal to 15 centimeters. Now, here the question given is 1 by 5 of CD to that of AB. So, first what you have to find? You have to find 1/5 of CD. So, 1/5 of length of 1/5 length of CD, that is equal to 1 by 5 of 15 centimeters, that is 3 centimeters. Okay. Now, the question here is 1 by 5 of CD to that of AB. We have to compare between CD and AB. So, what should come first? That is 1 by 5 length of CD should come in the numerator, and the value of AB, the length of AB should come in the denominator. So, the required fraction is equal to 3 centimeters by 6 centimeters. Centimeters will cancel, 3 and 6. You will get it as 1 by 2. So, 1 by 2, the required fraction is 1 by 2. I hope it is clear to you all. Very simple one. Understand the question and then according to that you do it. Please read it twice and thrice and understand the statements what is given there, and what all things is given there, you just write it. If you want to write in a short notes, short forms, you just write it in the working column, and then you just write here in the statements and then do the problems. Is it clear? Okay. I hope you all got your textbooks. Now, what I am going to do is that I will read out the question. I am not going to write there. I am read out the question and I will tell you how to do it. You have to do at home. Okay. Method I will show on the board and you have to do it according to that. Okay, I will just 3 or 4 questions I will read out and I will just tell you, and the rest of the questions what is there is just same, it's related to that thing. So, you can do it, some of the questions, some we will leave, next class we will do. Okay, so second question, the same exercise, it is subtract 2 by 7 minus 5 by 21 from the sum of 3 fractions are given to you. You can read it, 3 by 4, 5 by 7 and 7 by 12. So, here I have to subtract a particular fraction from a group of added fractions. So, I will just write it there how to do it. Okay. It is given as, this is the first one given 2 by 7 minus 5 by 21. This is the fraction that you have to subtract. This is the fraction that you have to subtract from added 3 fractions. Okay. That 3 fractions given here are 3 by 4, 5 by 7 and then 7 by 12. I hope this is the question in your textbook also. Okay. So, you have to subtract this from the sum of these fractions, that means you have to add all the 3 fractions. Now, how to write it? We already did it, subtract 5 from 7 and all, we did it, isn't it, previously. So, same way, first you have to write this one, added form, that is 3 by 4 plus 5 by 7 plus 7 by 12. From this sum, you have to subtract this section, that is minus 2 by 7 minus 5 by 21. This is the format you have to write it. Okay. From this sum, you have to subtract this. So, both are in brackets, we are putting it in bracket, that will be easy for you. So, do this first and then do that and then subtract the answers. I am not going to do it, this is for you to do. So, clear, you do by yourself. I am doing it all, every problem on the board. It is very easy to copy it down. You will not be doing it by yourself. So, please do it. I am just giving you the ways how to do it. So, you do it. So, this you have to add first, then you have to subtract this, and from this sum you have to subtract the other one. Clear? Okay. The third question I will read off. From a sack of potatoes weighing 120 kilograms, a merchant sells portions weighing 6 kilograms, 5 1 by 4 kilograms, 9 1 by 2 kilograms and 9 3 by 4 kilograms respectively. 2 subdivisions are there, that is, how many kilograms did he sell? Another one is, how many kilograms are still left in the sack? So, here a man is having a total potatoes, that is the weight of the total potatoes is 120 kilograms. From that, some portions he sold. How much? How many? How much he sold? That is what? 5 kilograms in one time, 5 1 by 4 kilograms another time, 9 1 by 2 kilograms another time, and 9 3 by 4 kilograms another time. So, these are the things. So, you have to find 2 things are there. How many kilograms did he sell? How you will find it? You have to total weight that he sold, you have to find, that is, add all the portions what he sold. The next question here it is, how many kilograms are still left in the sack? How you will find that? What is left back? I had 10 chocolates with me. I gave 3 to A, 4 to B. How much is left with me? 10 chocolate, 3 to A I gave, 4 to chocolates I gave to B. So, how many chocolates are there left? So, what you will do? You will be adding 3 and 4 together and then you will be subtracting it from the total chocolate what I had. 10 minus 7, 3 plus 4 is 7, 10 minus 7 is 3. So, 3 chocolates are left with me. So, the same thing it is asked here in the fractions. He is having 120 kilograms of potatoes. he sold some particular weights are given there, he sold particular time, he sold such things, how much weight of potatoes is left with him. So, you have to add what he sold and then subtract it from the total weight what he had earlier. So, you will get that answer. It's clear. Now, the next one is fourth question. If a boy works for 6 consecutive days for 8 hours, 7 1/2 hours, 8 1/4 hours, 6 1/4 hours, 6 3/4 hours and 7 hours respectively, how much money will he earn at the rate of rupees 36 per hour? Here consecutive days he worked. How many consecutive days? 6 consecutive days he worked for particular hours, that is also given there. He is paid rupees 36 per hour. So, how you will find the total money he got for that whole week? First what you have to do, you have to add all the days, hours what he worked. 6 days work you have to add, the time you have to add and then multiply it with 36 rupees per hour what is given. So, you will get the amount he will be getting for that 6 days. Okay. 11th question. I am not writing it on the board since it is a lengthy question. I will read it out. We will do it. Okay. You have to write the question. The heights of 2 vertical poles above the earth's surface are 14 1/4 meters and 22 1/2 meters respectively. How much higher is the second pole as compared with the height of the first pole? Here 2 poles are given and you have to compare the heights between the 2 poles. That here it is given in the last one, what is required is how much higher is the second pole. So, that means second pole is lengthier than the first pole. So, how much higher is the second pole as compared with the height of the first pole? Clear? So, I am writing it as, I am taking the poles, that I am giving names for the poles, that is A and B. Let the poles be A and B. We are not given any names, just before one question we did it as the lines, segments A, B and C, D. Here it is not given. So, we are just giving the names for the poles. I have given it as let the poles be A and B. So, length of A is given as first pole. Okay, first pole is 14 1/4 meters. And the length of the second pole, that is B, I have written, that is 22 1/3 meters. You have to compare between these 2 poles. How much is B taller than A? That is the question. Just read that last sentence once again. How much higher is the second pole as compared with the height of the first pole? Clear? Okay. So, what we have to find? Length of the second pole more than length of the first pole. So, we will write it. Therefore, length of B more than length of A. How you will find? That is, you have to subtract B minus A, that is length of B minus length of A. Simple one, you can find it out. I am not going to do it here. Okay. So, I hope today's class it is clear to you. Questions will be, homeworks will be given to you in WhatsApp. You have to write it, and if you are having any doubts, please contact me through WhatsApp and ask me the doubts and I will clear it to you. Okay. Take care. Bye.